Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And today I'm going to show you how. Today we are talking about something real and personal. How to build confidence even when you're at your lowest. Because let's be honest, life will test you. People will doubt you, and the biggest bully is your inner voice. But here's the truth, you can change that voice. Hey everyone, it's your favorite host and business lady, Aurelua Elizabeth. Welcome back, everybody. And if you are new in this space, welcome once again to this space where we have fun talking about life. I want you to know something. It's okay if you are struggling with self confidence. You're just human. And today we are about to start building that self confidence brick by brick. Do not skip the video. I'll tell you this, self confidence and self esteem, they are similar but distinct concepts. In my last video, I vividly explained self esteem and how to build it. Now, you need to know something. Self esteem and self confidence, they work hand in hand, they work together. So, if you have not seen that video, ensure that you go see the video how to build unstoppable self esteem. Now, let's go to what exactly is self confidence. The first explanation I will give you for self confidence is the ability to face whatever life brings your way, even when you are scared. The second one is self confidence is about knowing that you are capable of learning, growing, and overcoming challenges. The last but not the least explanation I'll give you for self confidence is self confidence is about believing you can do something. How to start building confidence today. Trust me to bring simple steps for you. Try them and you're going to thank me later. Step one is stop self bullying and start positive self talks. Did you get that? You need to understand that this whole thing comes from you, it starts from you. You need to know that self confidence deals with acceptance. You need to accept yourself, value yourself, love yourself. You need to appreciate yourself with your weakness and strength. You need to believe in your own ability, your uniqueness, your judgments, and your skills. The second step is do one brave thing daily. This is very, very effective. You need to understand that confidence does not come before action, it comes from action. So you need to start small. Do one thing that you have never done before, one thing you have been scared of doing. Now, if you see my previous video, I shared a story of how a teacher insulted me, and I did something I was scared of. I've been scared of all my life. I did it and I did it very, very well. So you need to understand that do one small thing. Take that bold talk in class. At work, you don't have enough confidence to talk. Talk. Do that one thing, even if it's just one brave thing. That particular dress that you like that would make you look nice, that you've been scared of wearing, wear it. Post that video. Do that thing. You want to put yourself out there on social media. Do it. Just do it. Do that one brave thing that you have been scared of. Do it. You see, this moment, they build proof, and proof equals to power. You need to know something that you don't have to be ready. You just have to be willing to something you like to do, but you're scared. Just do it. Be willing to do it, and you're going to break free. Just a gradual process, one brave thing every day. Before I continue, coming soon is our 30 days self-esteem and self-confidence challenge. Now you need to know that this is not just a challenge. This this is a transformation. So ensure that you do not miss it. Every day I'm going to be dropping prompt tasks every day for this challenge. I'll be announcing the dates very, very soon. So just stay tuned with me. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Ensure that you subscribe to this channel. Like this video too. Comment. Share to your loved ones. Share to that person that you know that they need to break free from not being confident. The third one is handle criticism effectively. Now, self confidence would allow criticism, but never ever let that pull you down. Instead, learn from the one you can learn from. And the ones you can learn from, let go of it. Let go of it. Do you understand? Use the criticism to grow yourself, which was what happened to me. I am a product of that. I handled the criticism very well. That is why I am here today. That's why I am making this video. That's why I can even start this channel. So handle your criticism effectively. I want to say this straight from the heart. You don't need to become someone else to be confident. You just need to come home to who you are. Confidence is not loud and it is not arrogant. It is just you knowing that I deserve to take a space in this world, and so do you. If this video is you or you've been struggling with low self confidence, go to the comment section, say something beautiful. And you can also simply just type, I believe in myself. I'll be in the comment section. I'll be replying everybody. See you in the comment section. Now, don't forget to like this video, comment, share to your loved ones, share to those family members, share to those people you know that needs this. You can help somebody with this. You can change somebody's life with this. Now share the video and subscribe. Please subscribe. I see you. I believe in you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Love you.